Hello everyone, we are going to section our hair into four like this. Then we're going to take two ponytails, one at each side top, and now taking the remaining hair at the back and making a braid by taking little amount of hair from both of the sides for joining the braid to the ponytails and then converting the ponies into simple round shaped buns. Next, we're going to section our hair into two from the top, then making braids by taking little amount of hair from both of the sides, and then we are going to secure it with a rubber band. Then repeating the same with the other side as well. After that, we are going to apply a rubber band, and then again we are going to add our hair in it and making this beautiful flower by just twisting the hair. Next, we are going to section our hair into two from the top. Then we're going to start making a braid by dividing our hair into three parts and adding a rubber band. Then taking the remaining part from one side and then dividing it into two for the joining it to our braid. And then we are going to add a rubber band. As you can see, your beautiful and pretty hairstyle is ready. You can add any accessory as per your choice. Next, we are going to take two ponytails, one at each side, and two braids, one at each side as well. Then we're going to take the pony, folding it once and making this braid. Then we're going to fold the braid again like the ponytail and now folding it into half and adding the rubber bands. Next, we are going to section our hair into two, then taking one side and start making this braid by taking little amount of hair from both of the sides at some places, and then your braid is ready. Next, we're going to take a high ponytail and then by using this tool, we are going to straighten it and then folding it out into a simple round shaped bun. Now you can apply any kind of accessories or rubber band as per your choice, and now you can see it looks so good and beautiful.